Today we are going to solve the first order and first degree differential equation. First we write the differential equation as sin of x dy dx minus y cos of x plus y square equals to 0. Now we take minus common, then we get minus sin x dy dx plus of y cos x equal to y square. Now we divide both sides by y square. Then we get sin x by y square dy dx plus 1 by y cos x equal to 1. The next line we multiply by dx both sides and we get minus 1 by y square sin x dy plus 1 by y cos x dx equal to dx. We see that the first part of this equation, as we use the dividing formula, then we get minus sin of x dy plus y into cos x dx divided by y square dx. This is the formula of sin of x by y cos x. Now we take the integration the both side. Integrating d of sin x by y equal to integration dx plus c, where c is integrating factor. Okay. Now we get the result sin x divided by y equal to x plus c. That's the solution answer of the problem.